Do you struggle with being productive during the winter months? Well, you're in luck because today we are going to talk about even more organizing projects suitable for winter here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granock. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And this is actually our third video in a series about projects you can work on during the wintertime. So if you missed the other videos, you can check out the first one by clicking on the link right here. And you can check out the second one here. Is the winter weather making you stir crazy? Being stuck at home has its advantages when it comes to getting organized. Winter is a great time to work on home organizing projects. And so I brought you six more ideas for things you can work on during the winter time. So here we go. Make room in your file cabinet or file box by reviewing files and recycling or shredding all unnecessary papers. Clippings become outdated quickly. So consider bookmarking information online instead of clipping out articles or printing them off of your computer. And remember, we have an entire video about filing that you can check out by clicking here. Update your reading material. Cancel any magazine subscriptions that you never have time to read. And for catalogs, only keep the most recent issue and recycle the rest. This is not only a great organizing project, but it can be a money maker because if you've paid way ahead on some of your magazine subscriptions, by canceling them, you get a refund, and that could be a really nice little bonus gift in the mail, if you know what I mean. Now's the time to declutter some of your computer materials. Are you still holding on to floppy disks like this gentleman in the picture? Review all your manuals, your CD-ROMs, etc., for outdated programs and items that you are never going to use again. And maybe tackle it a little bit differently than our friend here. You can also use this time to reduce the amount of junk mail that you're receiving. You can remove yourself from direct mailing lists by visiting the Direct Marketing Association at www.dmachoice.org, and I screenshotted what their homepage looked like at the time of this recording. Now, there is a $6 fee to sign up, but that will give you a subscription that lasts for 10 years. I'm currently doing it, and it is money well spent. Why drive in bad weather any more than necessary? During the wintertime, you really want to take advantage of your organizational skills. Organize your errands by grouping outings because that will save you time and gas money and time that you don't have to be driving in potentially bad weather. My final idea for winter organizing projects is to start making plans for your garden. Decide what you're going to plant and sketch out your garden on paper and research the proper care of the plants and flowers and vegetables that you plan on growing. It's a wonderful way to start thinking about springtime. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this series of videos. Remember that there are two other videos in this series that you can access by clicking here. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday. So be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.